Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, plays a critical role in the real estate industry. It involves the use of software to manage and analyze client interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. By efficiently managing relationships with potential clients, real estate professionals can ensure better communication, increased satisfaction, and higher chances of converting leads into successful deals. CRM systems enable agents to keep track of client preferences, property interests, and engagement history, making it easier to offer tailored services and build long-lasting relationships. CRM systems revolutionize lead capture in real estate by automating the process from various sources like websites, social media, and direct inquiries. By automating these tasks, real estate professionals can save a significant amount of time and reduce human error. CRM systems ensure that no lead is missed and all information is accurately recorded in one centralized database. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances accuracy, making it easier to track and follow up with potential clients. Automated lead capture enables agents to focus on personalized client interactions and closing deals. CRM systems are essential for organizing and tracking leads in the real estate industry. They help agents categorize leads based on various criteria such as interest level, budget, and location. This organized approach enables agents to prioritize their efforts, ensuring that the most promising leads receive the attention they need. By tracking the journey of each lead, CRM allows agents to monitor interactions and engagement history, making it easier to identify and address any potential issues. This systematic method not only streamlines the lead management process, but also enhances the ability to convert leads into successful transactions. CRM systems excel at facilitating personalized follow-ups in real estate. They enable agents to create customized follow-up campaigns tailored to the specific needs and preferences of each potential client. With automated emails and reminders, agents can consistently nurture relationships without missing any opportunities. Personalized follow-ups ensure that clients feel valued and understood, greatly enhancing their experience. By addressing individual requirements and providing targeted information, CRM helps in building trust and maintaining consistent engagement, ultimately increasing the chances of successful transactions and long-term client relationships. CRM systems offer powerful reporting and analytics features that are crucial for measuring the success of lead generation campaigns in real estate. These tools provide detailed insights into various metrics, such as lead conversion rates, client engagement, and campaign performance. By analyzing this data, real estate professionals can identify what strategies are working and which ones need improvement. This allows them to make informed decisions and adjust their approach for better results. Continual measurement and optimization ensure that lead generation efforts are as effective as possible, ultimately leading to increased sales and client satisfaction.